Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no gum chewing, no sleeping or lounging, no eating or drinking, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, I'm gonna bring in Miss Tracy Williams first. Tracy Williams, you can unmute yourself, please. Turn on your camera. Miss Williams? Tracy Williams?
Can you hear me? Okay, it wouldn't let me do anything. I'm sorry. Hi.
All right, here we go. Madam Court Reporter, are you with us? Good morning. Madam Court Reporter?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, good. All right, fantastic. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tracy L. Williams. This is Tracy Lynn Williams. This is ticket P1338936. I apologize. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P1338729. Count 2 expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, please state your name for the record.
Tracy Lynn Williams.
Your Honor, we are asking for a adjournment, another opportunity for the defendant to return to compliance. She's got some probate matters that have complicated things a bit when it comes to her completing the paperwork that she needs to return and have these cases validated and dismissed for compliance. So another action date, please, and thank you, a pre-trial.
All right, so my pre-trial dates are pretty far out, so this should give you some time, Ms. Williams. They're not until February 8th.
I pray that this is managed by them, madam. I really apologize.
If not, Ms. Williams, we'll just give you some more time. I know probate court can be a lot and it's very time consuming. And so if not, just remind me that day and we'll give you some additional time, Ms. Williams. I won't make you do anything. I understand it can be a lot, but you just gotta get it taken care of, okay?
Thank you. It's been 16 months and it's just ongoing. So I really appreciate your understanding.
It's super, super slow. So just know that, okay? I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Bless you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you so much. Leo Wilkes?
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah.
Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Leo Wayne Wilkes Jr. This is ticket ticket 5710920. One count of trespassing. Ticket number U5710920. One count of trespassing. And ticket number U6346522. This is one count offer to engage the services of another for the act of prostitution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Your Honor, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record, please.
It's Leo Wilkes.
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant has been advised with respect to mandatory minimums and here asks that the court set the matter for a waiver trial by way of Zoom. He knows he has a right to a jury trial. He's gonna ask that the court hear the case by Zoom, please.
All right. If so, Mr. Wilkes, can you please raise your right hand?
Okay. Yep.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yeah, yep,
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
yeah.
All right. So I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of February 21st. February 21st.
Let me write it down.
Okay, fantastic.
February what?
21st, 2/1, February 2/1.
Uh-huh.
Okay. At 9 a.m. It is via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day at 9 a.m. Okay, 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, sir, and you're all set. Okay.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
I will. Thank you so much. Delonte Williams.
Yes.
All right. Look for the camera so I can see you, Mr. Williams. All right, there you go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Delonte Williams. This is ticket P110478. Count 1, drove while unlicensed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant, sir. Please state your name for the record.
Jelante Williams.
Your Honor, we're asking for a waiver trial by Zoom, please, and thank you.
Sir, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Okay, hold on a second. You have some additional tickets too. All right, sir, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a bench trial. Write this down. February 21st
Okay.
at 9 a.m. February 21st via Zoom, 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, sir. If there's nothing further, I'll see you 9 a.m. February 21st, 2023, next year, 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
I'll be there.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Williams. I'll see you then, okay?
Okay. Thank you. Have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you so much, Mr. Williams.
Okay.
First, Mr. Wilson, you need to put some clothes on, so I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until you get ready for court. This is a live courtroom, okay? Courtney Wiley,
Yes.
all right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Courtney Wiley. This is ticket P1230327. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P1274847. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket number P1230328. Count 1, 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P1341589. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, drove while unlicensed. And ticket number P1324697. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name for the record, please?
Courtney Spivey.
Judge, Miss Courtney, she's the record reflects that Miss Spivey has a married name. She's
You're breaking up, Mr.
Courtney
Bosman.
Lane Wiley. She's pleading not guilty here today. We're asking that the matter be set for a pretrial and indicating, Your Honor, that she's going to come back in compliance, surprisingly. She's got a license. She's going to come back with proper registration and insurance and uncomplicate her life at the next action date.
Let me give you a little background, Mr. Bosman, okay? We adjourned these from August 23rd, 2022 to October the 5th, 2022, so she could pay all her reinstatement fees. So she got her license. Then at the next hearing, she wasn't quite ready yet still. So I adjourned it until 11/28/2022. How much more, does she want me to, how much more time do you need, Ms. Wiley?
Okay, so I was unaware of me going to get insurance and registrations in my name. I don't need that much time. I actually can do it like really soon. Like I can do it really soon. But I want to ask you, Miss Taylor, the tickets, it seemed like I have a whole lot of tickets. I had paid off like 5 of them. I should only have 5 remaining.
So you paid off all the civil infractions?
I paid off 5 tickets that approximately was like probably like $1,000. So
The civil infractions. I'll have my clerk go through and see which ones you actually paid off. So I'm gonna give you some more time because you do have to have all that insurance and stuff like that, okay? Whoever
Yes.
paying for the car, your parents pay, if your parents aren't paying for the car, then it needs to be in your name, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna give you a lot of time because we're really packed until the end of the year. So you're not gonna get until February 8th, 2023, okay?
February
Thank
8th.
you, Your
Okay.
Okay, 8:30
Yes.
a.m. And I'll have my clerk look into whether or not you paid those civil, you probably paid civil infractions because we haven't charged you anything for the misdemeanors yet. And we'll
I
look at
paid
those.
I'm sorry, I paid a no insurance ticket and some other tickets. But is it a ticket on there that I would need to pay? Like that I should pay? I wish I had the paper in front of me.
I just have in here, I made a note that you went pay reinstatement fees, so you should have been able to pay those. And those will be the only thing holding you up from getting your license, so.
I paid those.
Right, so it shouldn't be anything else that will stop you from being able to get you got your license though, right?
Yeah, I paid reinstatement fees. I got my driver's license.
So all you're looking for, nothing's gonna stop you from getting insurance or anything, nothing.
Yes.
You can always get insurance and get the car registered. Nothing's gonna stop you. Now, the cost may be high based on what's going on, so you may want to do some price comparisons, but you'll be able to get insurance, okay?
Yes.
All right, so I'll see you back then with everything completed, okay, Ms. Wiley? I do see that you're making strides towards getting it right. Sometimes it takes some time, okay? So just be patient while you're getting through this, because it's not easy. But if you didn't get one ticket one day, you got a couple of tickets. You gotta pay out, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, Ms. Wiley, I'll see you with everything completed by then. Congratulations on getting your license. I know that was a big thing for you, and you actually followed through, so I appreciate it, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I'll see you next year, okay? Happy New Year.
And same to you.
Thank you. All right. Bye-bye. All right, Ms. Welch.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you were having some trouble. I tried to get you connected. It must have dropped you off by accident.
Yeah, I went to go look at it and it wasn't on my phone no more, so I had to come back in.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm calling your case now. You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Amanda Joy Welch. This is ticket P1333355, one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling you ticket 596-78121. That's one count of possession of a controlled substance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Amanda Welch.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant is aware of her right to a jury trial. She's going to waive that here and now. We're asking for a bench trial date by way of Zoom. Thank you.
All right, Ms. Wells, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Wells, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Balkman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And he's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the date of February 21st. February 21st, 9 a.m. It is gonna be via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today, use that same number. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, Ms. Welch, I'll see you then, okay? Happy
All right.
holidays.
Have a happy new year, Judge.
Thank you so much. Same to you, okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, Attorney Balkman, we have Mr. Gillis in the courtroom, so he's gonna start giving us some offers. No, he left. Oh, he left. Well, I have some offers for you, and then you can start talking, keep talking to folks.
Okay.
Did you need an offer of Christian Williams?
Tell you what, I need an offer for Tyshawn, or no, excuse me, Jelani Walker.
Okay. What about Christian Williams? He was here for the formal hearing.
Is there an officer? Lakeisha Thomas?
No?
I have a motion on that.
Okay.
And Sharon Wynn.
Let me find Miss Nguyen. Please, an offer.
Okay, I'm gonna send you over those two.
Okay, and then Ronald Wood has compliance documents. I can attest to those. I did send those to your email, Miss Edwards.
Okay.
And then everybody else is pretty much straightforward. Is there anybody else? I haven't interviewed. I can't even remember what room I was on. Do you, Your Honor, remember?
Yes, you were talking to Mr. Wood, so you're going to room number 12 next, okay, to talk to
Thank you.
Rakia Young. And I'm gonna sign in one more person. I hope he's ready for court, okay?
Can you tell me how many rooms total?
Yep, you have a
After
total
12?
of at 12, it goes up to 17. It's gonna go up to 18
Okay.
though, because I'm one more person in, okay?
Okay, I'll be back. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
I'm sending over the offers.
Sorry about that, ma'am.
How are you doing?
Hello?
You good, Mr. Wilson?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry for my obscenity.
Thank you. Sorry for being late as well. What happened, Mr. Wilson? You're supposed to be here at 8:35. What happened?
So my house that I was staying at currently caught on fire today.
Oh, I'm
So,
so sorry to hear that.
I've been scrambling around all day.
Okay. All right. Do you need a new court date to handle all of that? I can give you a new court date if you do.
If it's okay with you, I would actually like to get this matter situated.
You would like to what?
Get this matter situated.
Okay, that's fine. I just will give you that option because I know that can be a lot, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, what I'm going to do, Mr. Wilson, is I'm going to put you into a breakout room. The attorney of today is Attorney Harry Balkman, okay? He's talking to some folks. It's about 6 people in front of you, so you gotta be patient because he has to talk to each one of you personally in the breakout room. We'll make sure to pull everything and try and handle it today. If you have any documents you need to show him, get those prepared so that he can see them, so he can know you're in compliance and let us know, okay? If not, he'll be able to get you an offer today that would be good as a resolution, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome, Mr. Wilson. Okay, I'm gonna put you into room number 18. Join that room and stay in there. He'll come talk to you, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Right, Attorney Samuel Chirikian.
Miss Young, you talked to the attorney?
Good morning. Yes, I did.
Okay. All right, we're gonna put you into the waiting room until he finishes talking to a few others. I do them in chunks, okay?
Yes.
All right.
Give my baby the juice. Let me see.
Hello.
Hi.
Hold on one
Hello.
second.
Hello, this is Ernest Warren. Am I in the meeting?
Ms. Warren, you're gonna have to hold tight because you just checked into my courtroom. You gotta handle some other people who are already here. Ms. Wiggins.
Okay, all I got to
Yes.
do is hold on.
Yes, for 1 second. Ms. Wiggins, I'm gonna
Okay.
place you to spoke with the attorney.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna place you into a waiting room until he finishes talking to a few other folks.
No,
okay?
I already.
I know, but you
I
have to talk
talked
to
to
me.
him.
I know, but you have to talk to me, so I'm gonna put you in the waiting
Okay.
room. Till he
Okay.
can come back up, okay?
Okay.
All right. Just hold tight. All right, phone number? That's who? Ms. Warren, you supposed to be here at 9 o'clock in person. For a
Yes,
trial.
ma'am. No, ma'am. I couldn't make it. My knees are bad. I was recommended to have knee replacement, but I didn't do it.
Ms. Warren, I have to be able to see you too for a trial. If you don't want to work it out, I can't do it over the phone. Are you trying to work it out today?
Yes, ma'am. I'm in compliance with everything. I
Are you gonna
took
be
care
able
of
to-
everything.
Now, here's the problem. So I'm gonna have the officer talk and find out because here's why we
And our
want you to.
officer was just here, ma'am.
Ms. Warren, you have to listen for a second, okay?
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's one of the reasons I think we asked you to come is because I didn't see any of your documents. And I can't see your documents over the phone. So unless the investigator has seen all this stuff, I can't really help you. And so last time we asked you to come in person because I need to be able to see it. I can't just hear you say that you're valid. I have to be able to physically see you. And unless you can find some way to get on to Zoom where I can see you, I can't really help you right now, okay? So do you have anybody who can possibly help you to physically get on Zoom so we can see you?
I don't have an app for Zoom. They told me I had to have an app to get on Zoom.
All right, so here are your
All I
choices.
have is, I am
know.
on now a landline.
I know, and we talked about this a long time ago, right? So I
Ma'am, we
set-
didn't.
Well, we
No,
set this bench trial, no, listen. We set this bench trial in person back on the date of September the 2nd. So that I
That's
could
true.
give you time to come into court if we weren't gonna be able to see you. So I'm telling you right now, unless we can see the documents of the client, I can't dismiss anything.
Well, what is my other option? Do I have another option?
If you plead guilty to some of the counts, I can see if we can ask them to get it down a little bit, because it's 3 right now. Maybe you can plead to 2 of the counts or something like that. That's the best that we can probably do, Ms. Warren, okay?
And then when I plead to some of the counts, what will happen?
Typically, I do give a fine. I'll be considerate of my fine, though. We'll see what's
Okay.
going-
But
I'll have you
everything is, excuse me, I'm sorry to keep interrupting.
I'll have you talk to the attorney, okay? And he
All
can give
right.
some recommendations on what you can possibly do. But we wanted you in person because you said you had the documents last time. And so I can only
No.
see them if you.
No, ma'am. This is okay, I do have the documents and I went and got it. But my knee, see, I don't know how far I have to walk. I can't walk very far. I was crippled. I was on the cane when the lady came. And I never, yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna put you into the breakout room and then
Mm-hmm.
the attorney will be able to talk to you. And I'm also gonna have the attorney talk to the officer and see if we can work anything out. And she's nodding, you can't see her. She's nodding her head. So she's gonna try
Okay.
and work with us, but we gotta figure it out, okay, Ms. Warren?
Thank you so very much, Judge.
You're very welcome. All right, I'm gonna put you into a breakout room. No one's gonna be in there. It's just gonna be silent. We haven't hung up, I promise, okay?
Okay, and I just stay on the line?
Just stay on the line and you'll hear his voice. He'll come in there and talk to you, okay?
Thank you very much, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, investigator, as soon as he comes back, I'll have him talk to you. I'll have him talk to her and then I'll have him talk to you about what we can possibly do.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
I was dismissing everything because her dog is deceased now. So, yeah, I was dismissing everything. So he died this summer. So, yeah.
All right, well, that's fantastic. Well, let me tell him so we can get her out of here then, okay?
Okay.
On your way to- Okay.
Yeah, Deontay Watkins at the counter. He thought it was.
Just not coming at 10:05? You take the bus
Hello?
out of here?
Okay, so why? I said, why? The question finished. Mr. Woolen?
Yes.
Have you spoken with the attorney?
Yes, I have.
Okay, I'm gonna place you into a waiting room so you can speak with the judge, okay, when she's ready.
Okay.
Ms. Williams, Rashonda Williams,
Yes,
have you spoken with the attorney?
yes,
Okay, I'm gonna place you into a waiting room until the judge is ready, okay?
okay.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Your court time was 8:35. How did you get 10 o'clock out of that?
When I saved I went online and I hit save in my phone and it saved it under as a reminder, it saved it under 10 o'clock.
Your court time was 8:35.
I don't know why it did that.
We're gonna place you into a breakout room so you can speak with the attorney, okay?
Okay.
It's gonna be a little while.
Okay.
You have several people in front of you, okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna be in there by yourself.
Okay.
Until he comes in to speak with you. So
Okay.
don't zoom off, you have to stay in there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, when you see join on your device, hit join, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, December 2nd. It's 360-337-0000. And I'm gonna give you a phone. Wait, one three. 965-4335. Both. I didn't cut that. Yeah. Mr. Williams,
Yes,
have you spoken with the attorney?
yes, yep, I did speak with him.
Okay, I'm gonna place you into the waiting room until the judge is ready, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Stand by, sir.
All right, Attorney Baldwin, I can do the next chunk of people, including Ms. Leslie.
Ready.
Did you talk to Mr. Watkins?
I did. We're ready on that case as well.
He has a number of other tickets as well, so I'm gonna pull all his tickets before I do him, so I'm gonna put him into the waiting room until we can pull all his tickets.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna bring out Miss for the trial today.
Yeah, we're gonna need an offer for Arnett Warren,
Yep.
or at least,
The officer is actually on today, so she's gonna tell you what she wants to happen to that case. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Warren,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Judge.
and Investigator Chandler,
Yes, Your Honor.
now calling the matter of the people versus Arnett S. Warren. This is B ticket 123336, one count harboring an unlicensed dog. B ticket 123335, one count failed to vaccinate dog for rabies or provide proof of vaccination against rabies. B ticket 123334, one count harboring an unlicensed dog. B ticket 123337, failed to vaccinate dog for rabies or provide proof of vaccination against rabies. B ticket 123338, continuous tether of dog for more than 3 hours a day. Appearances for the record, starting with Investigator Chandler. Please, can you put your name on the record first?
I'm Investigator Janitra Chandler, badge number 15, Detroit Animal Control.
All right, and Attorney
Good
Baldwin,
morning.
please state your name.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your full name, Ms. Warren?
Arnett S. Warren.
However, it is my understanding from Investigator Chandler that this dog is no longer alive. Am I correct, ma'am?
That is
Yes,
That is
yes,
correct.
you are
Oh, I'm sorry.
Ms. Warren, I'm talking to the investigator. I know you want to help. I appreciate it. You can't see what's going on, but just let us do this, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Please forgive me.
It's okay, no worries. And, Investigator Chandler, based on that information, did you, want to move forward with these pressing matters today?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And are you asking for these matters to be dismissed in these matters?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Stipulate
So,
the probable cause. Thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, so at this time, based on that information having been provided to us, the court is going to grant that request. I am going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ms. Warren, if you do get
Yes, ma'am.
another dog, make sure that you have it vaccinated and licensed and housed correctly, okay? So that way you don't get any tickets in the future.
Yes, Judge, I will.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you so much. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you
Have a
very
good day.
much.
Happy holiday to you.
Same to you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ms. Warren. You can get off the phone now, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day. Call some of these people from the waiting room. Miss Young? Miss Young? I'm gonna bring Mr. Williams out because no officer checked in on that one.
Ready?
And when you bring out Thomas Williams, we have a future court date on the agenda for other tickets.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I see that Miss Rakia Young has been admitted. I believe I would be asking Mr. Gillis for an offer on Miss Young. I just had an opportunity to see that she has more cases than what appear on the docket.
She does. All right,
Yeah.
Miss Young, I'm gonna put you into what's called the breakout room again, and when you come back, I want you to be mindful that this is court. So if I can't lie down in court, I don't want you lying down in court either, okay? We're gonna put you into breakout room number 2, okay? And that way we can get them more lined up, so it can be a little closer to the top. I don't know what happened to the other person. All right, Thomas Woolen has another court date, just in case you want to.
Miss Young, are you there?
Thomas Woolen, it's okay. We got you.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Thomas Eldridge Dobie Woolen. This is ticket number P1345140. Count 1, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, drove while license not valid or improper license. Also tickets number SP13891801. This is 1 count drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket number SP138918, count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3 of that ticket is expired plate. Also calling ticket number SP125132231. That's 1 count drove while license suspended. Count 2 of that same ticket is equipment violation, improper or unauthorized use. In case count 3 of that ticket is roadway divided into 2 or more lanes, covered lanes restriction. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Thomas Woolen.
We're here for arraignment, Judge. We ask that the not guilty plea be entered and the matter be set for pretrial, please and thank you.
All right. At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. I am going to give him the pretrial date of his next cases that are up, and that is March 1st, okay? Come back on that date. You have the other cases scheduled for March 1st, 2023. I'm going to make it at 8:30 a.m. instead of the 1:30 p.m. time. That's going to be the only difference. Instead of coming in the afternoon, you're going to come in the morning for your matters. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal on all of your cases. Okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thanks.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Kristen Williams. Kristen
Can you hear me?
Williams? I can now. Can you turn on your camera for me, please?
Hold on 1 second. You said, can I turn on my camera?
Yes. You're gonna ask me you to start. There you go. Yeah, no, keep, there we go. Now calling the matter of people versus Kristen Williams. This is
Yes.
ticket SP 1394961. This is one count 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. It looks like it was originally 26 to 30 miles over posted speed. Today is the date and time set for this matter for a, this is an appeal to me. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Okay. Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
I'm sorry, I can't hear. Christian Williams.
All right.
Thank you. Set for a formal hearing, Judge. There's no complaining witness.
And what I read, I had to read a little bit more, Attorney Baughman, to figure out what this was. What it was he didn't like the original ruling of the court below me. So he didn't like the magistrate's ruling that made this, instead of a 26 to 30 mile per hour over speeding ticket, made it a 16 to 20 mile per hour over speeding ticket. And so he appealed to me. I do believe that the officer is supposed to come to this hearing though, and did not come to this hearing. So I will entertain a motion at this time.
So our motion is to dismiss here without prejudice. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. So being that that is the case, no officer having appeared for this particular hearing, the appeal of right. All right. So the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice at this time. Let me caution you, Mr. Williams. As I look at this ticket, I see what type of vehicle you have. Let me guess. It's a Charger, isn't it?
No, it's a Durango.
You gotta slow down. No matter what happened, you have to slow down. Okay, I don't know why it wasn't, but to be charged initially with 26 to 30 miles over a posted speed, too fast. Too fast.
I got you, Your Honor.
We'll see. If you don't, guess who you gonna come back before?
You.
And do you think I forget faces easy?
No.
I sure don't. I remember all kinds of stuff. My clerks asked me questions from weeks ago. And I just start giving facts and reciting who that person, didn't they just come in here? Didn't they just come see me? All right, I'm gonna dismiss it without prejudice. That means money is to be refunded or returned. It's gonna take some time though for it to be sent back to you, okay?
Okay, it's gonna be sent to the house or I can come get it?
Yes. It's gonna be sent to the house. You can come down here and tell them to make sure it's the correct address, but they won't just give you money. It's mailed back to the home, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Bless you. Huh?
Thank you. All right.
All right, Kiera Williams.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of People versus Kiera Williams. This is ticket P1337083. This is one count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Please the court, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Kiera Williams.
Judge, the defendant is in compliance. She doesn't have possession of compliance documents. We just ask for a brief adjournment so that she can bring those back and display those to the court.
All right. Well, my adjournments aren't super brief, so Ms. Williams, I'll see you on February 8th, 2022, okay?
Okay, thank
2023.
thank
I'm gonna
you.
set this at 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
I will. Sandra Williams?
Yes.
All right, can you turn on your camera for me, please? All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Rashonda Williams. This is ticket number P1319632. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Rashonda Williams.
Thank you, Judge. These matters are set for a formal hearing and or trial without a complaining witness. Officer Brandy Newman, I'm asking the court to entertain a motion to dismiss here without prejudice. It's 10:32 and trial was due to begin at 9 a.m.
All right, the time is now 10:32 a.m. No officer having been present for this, the court is going to grant their request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ma'am, you're all set for today. They can refile this if they want to, but you're all set, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Thank you. You too.
All right, thank you.
I can leave.
You can leave. All right. Now, what did you say about Miss Wiggins before? She has a new last name, or what was it? What? Yeah.
Right, that's Lenora Wiggins. She now appears as Lenora Estelle Johnson Schuler on the screen.
Okay.
We just asking for a pretrial date, Your Honor. It's here for show cause.
All right. Now calling the matters of the People versus Lenora Estelle Wiggins. This is ticket number P1240346. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, tinted windows. Ticket number P1245297. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanors. Ticket number P1309325. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, your name, please.
Lenora Wiggins, Lenora Estelle Wiggins.
How are we proceeding today?
Matters here for show cause. The defendant inadvertently missed their last action. We're asking for a next action date, Your Honor. For arraignment purposes, we want a not guilty plea entered, and we would like a pretrial, please, and thank you.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. Now I'm going to set this for a pretrial on the date of February 8th, 2023. That's at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. You are going to report via Zoom, okay? And we'll see you then, okay? February 8th, 2023, okay?
Okay, so are you gonna send the clearance to the Secretary of State so I can get my license?
We didn't handle anything today. I don't send clearances when we don't handle anything.
So I won't be able to get my license and bring it to court?
Well, have you been to the Secretary of State, Miss Wiggins?
No,
When's the last time you were there?
it was about a month ago.
Okay. Did they indicate that any of these tickets you need to clear up in order to get your license back?
No, they didn't.
'Cause I'm showing that you do have 3 warrants. These are outstanding cases, but I don't believe that I think you can still get your license back. If
They
you
are
just-
listed. I got them listed a couple days ago.
I know. That's why you're here in court. Take this case number down, please, Miss Wiggins. You ready?
Okay, 1 second.
Bless you, young lady, young baby.
Thank you.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
SP 1 2 4 0 3 4 6 2.
Okay, I got it.
If you pay that 1 ticket, you should be able to get your license back if Detroit is your only issue.
Yeah, that's the only issue is Detroit.
Come down to the 36th District Court, pay that
Okay,
ticket, please. And then go to the Secretary of State with proof that you paid that particular citation. That's the only thing that I'm looking at your record in Detroit is holding you back.
Yeah.
If it doesn't work out, come back in February. We'll give you further assistance, okay?
Okay.
Good luck. Happy holidays.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Attorney Ball.
You're welcome, Your Honor. Thank you.
I appreciate that. Bring in Mr. Watkins, and you can continue on.
I can leave.
Yes, you can. We'll have a good day, okay?
Okay, you too.
You only have 5 people after this. Okay, I'll give you the room numbers too.
Okay.
Mr. Watkins,
Yes.
now calling the matters of the people versus Deontay Watkins. This is ticket number 211170. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, drive on registered motor vehicle. Ticket number 328795, no operator's license on person. Ticket number 483147, count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, no insurance. Ticket number U64056122, operate a place of illegal occupation. Ticket number P922482, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number P769184, 1 count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And ticket number P773006, 1 count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Deontay Watkins.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant is here for a pretrial and asking that the matters be set for a waiver trial by Zoom, please, and thank you.
If so, sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk with Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna set it on February 21st at 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. Unless you have put a bond on any of these cases, the bond will remain. Otherwise, they will be set at $0 personal. And we'll see you back on February 21st, 2023, 9 a.m. for your cases, okay?
Okay, February 21st, 9 a.m.
Yes, via Zoom, okay?
Okay. Okay.
The same way you're on today, that's how you're gonna be on that day, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, I just wanna make sure, because you came down here today. You don't have to
Yeah,
come
I'm-
back and listen, notice to it, okay?
Yes, I'm sitting outside.
All right, I know. I'm letting you know, so that way you don't have to spend your money Unless you get notification between now and then saying that the courts are open and you must come, just do it via Zoom, okay?
Okay,
All right, fantastic. I'll see you then, okay? What day you coming to see me?
February 21st, 9 o'clock.
All right, fantastic. See you then, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. All right, I need an offer on this, John. You wanted one on Rakina Young, right, Attorney Bachman?
I thought Miss Young was in need of an offer. I believe though that she indicated that she'd be able to come into compliance after the 12th of December. She's suspended until then. I don't think I need an offer. We could just set that for pre-trial. I'm sorry.
Okay, it's cool. So you have someone, I'm gonna tell you the people that you have left, because they're kind of spread around. Miss Young
All
is
right.
in room 1. Miss Sharon Wynn, she's in room 5. Sharon Wynn is in room 5.
Okay.
Jelani Walker is in room 8.
Mhm.
Tyshawn White is in room 13. And Christopher Wilson is in room 18.
I'm pretty sure I'm ready on all those cases, but I might need to just discuss a couple of the options. It won't take me long, Your Honor. I'll be right back.
Okay, just let me know, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't know who Matthew iPhone is, but it's 11 o'clock. Oh, no, not today. Oh.
Matthew, iPhones?
Yes,
Sir, what's your name?
my name is Matthew Springer. I missed my court date now, and I didn't see the judge name on the Zoom list, and I didn't know what to do. My name is Matthew Springer.
Oh, Springer.
Yeah, I did, and it was for Judge Robert Johnson, but I didn't see the name on the Zoom link, the Zoom list.
Okay.
I didn't know what to do.
Okay.
Robert Johnson is the officer.
Mr. Springer, you're supposed to be actually in courtroom 333, but you are extremely late. So I'm gonna give you a phone number to call, okay? To let them know that you missed your court date for this morning.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
It's gonna be 965
Uh-huh.
2286.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right.
Ms. Young,
Yes,
I'm gonna place you in a waiting room until the judge is ready. You already spoke with the attorney?
yes.
Okay. Quinn?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, you already spoke with the attorney?
Huh? I can't hear you.
You already spoke with the attorney?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna place you into a waiting room, okay, until the judge is ready.
Oh, I'm not sure. I think click me in.
I'm gonna place you in a waiting room until the judge is ready, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right. Mr. Walker,
Yes, ma'am.
you already spoken with the attorney?
Yes, I have, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna place you into a waiting room until the judge is ready, okay?
Okay.
All right. I got to give it today. So if y'all just, I mean, it's nothing. very little watery. Y'all see a little tip off. Okay. No, I was like, Mom, you okay? I'm like, you okay? I know, like, I was trying to think of the thing. Think about like my ass gets to be like, ugh. I know. No, but I'm like,
Can you come get him, please?
Mr. White,
Yes, how you doing?
I'm okay. Have you spoken with the attorney?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna place you into a waiting room until the judge is ready, okay?
Yes.
All right.
Mr. Wilson, you spoke to Attorney Baldwin?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll put you into a waiting room until I'm ready, okay?
Okay.
Attorney Marab,
Good morning, Judge.
good morning. What are you here for?
I got Mr. El Absawi,
Not my courtroom.
not on your docket.
Let me see.
Should be at 10:45.
No, did you mean to sign into Judge Holmes' court?
Let me double check. Thought it was before you, Your Honor, but
I don't have the A's. I had the W's, Y's, and Z's.
and Judge Holmes has the A's.
She does typically. Let me make sure.
All right, I'm out, Judge. I'm gonna go check. I'll go check in with her. I'm sorry. I appreciate it.
Judge Holmes? Uh-oh. I'm pretty sure she does. If not, check back in and I'll get you to the right place. But I'm pretty sure she has the A's.
I got it.
Yep, Judge Holmes has the A's. 134.
Appreciate you, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
All right. Let me bring out our people. Attorney Bosman.
Okay.
Did somebody call me?
Yes, I said I'm gonna bring out your folks, okay?
Okay.
All right. Jelani Walker,
Yes, ma'am.
now calling the matter of the people. First is Jelani Walker. This is B ticket 101202116. One count off food and meat establishment, failure to obtain license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman. For the defendant, state your name, please, sir.
Jelani Walker.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're here for arraignment. So for that purpose, we will plead not guilty.
At this time, the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. How are we proceeding?
There's a recommendation that if the defendant entered a guilty plea here today, that plea would be taken under advisement for a period of 6 months and thereafter dismissed as long as the defendant pays the fine and returns without having any new tickets of this nature, Your Honor. My client is going to waive rights and plead guilty pursuant to that recommendation here. Thank you.
All right, sir, that's what you want to do?
I've actually paid the court $250, and I don't
We're
really
gonna get to that. Give me a chance to talk about it, but you're gonna have to enter the plea first before we talk about the money that you paid before. Okay, Mr. Walker?
Yeah. Okay.
Mr. Walker, if you're not sure, you need some more time, we can either set it for a bench trial, we can set it for a jury trial, or we can have you come back another day when you have some more time to think about it. I, as the court, have already seen and looked over the file and see that you've already paid some money, but paying money doesn't make things go away. You still have to acknowledge that things happen, or you can take it to a trial to have people come in and testify on your behalf, but we don't just make things go away because you give us some money.
Okay. But yeah, I want to plead guilty because I'm guilty.
All right, let's do that then, Mr. Walker, and then I'll take care of the fine when it comes to it, okay?
Okay.
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Walker, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Briefly.
Okay. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything outside of the fact that this will be under a 12-month delay sentence in order for you to take this plea today?
It'll be a 12-month delay sentence for me to take the plea?
Yes, so what that means is that as long as you pick up no new tickets like this one, and you pay the fine that I imposed, which I know that you've already paid some money on, then this case will be dismissed.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Did anyone, are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, sir?
Understood.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today, Mr. Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention all the way back to the date of August the 7th of 2016. Were you in the area of St. Albans and Atwater Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And it says bulk foods and meat establishment. Were you selling some food on the side of the road without a proper license, vending license?
Yes, I was barbecuing. I was just trying to support myself. You know, I got a long history of drug dealing. I was just trying to do something I wasn't gonna get in trouble.
Okay. Satisfied, Attorney Baldwin?
I am, thank you, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well. And will accept the plea to, what is it? Bulk food and meat establishment failure to obtain license. I know, sir, that you were just trying to support yourself, but you also got to follow the rules. That's one thing you got to do. And so I feel you. You were just trying to get a little extra cash. You're not the only one that happens to, but you can't do it that way. You have to get like a food vending license, okay?
All right.
All right.
I had a pending case. I had a pending case at the time, and I had to go to trial. And you know, I was just real strapped for money, and I ain't want to jump out there and do nothing. You know.
All right. Well, I was about to say you didn't handle it right then. This matters, so you waited a little bit of time, but now you're handling it. Okay.
No,
so I understand things are tight.
I actually went to prison for 5 years on that case. And I didn't even know. I forgot all about this ticket till I got out and got pulled over, and they told me I had a bench warrant. And when they told me what it was, that's when I remembered.
Yep, that's what ends up happening, Mr. Walker.
Yeah.
Get about the stuff. Hold on 1 second, okay? This is what I can do for you today, Mr. Walker, because you've been so open and honest, okay? Instead of it being on the 12-month delay sentence, I'm going to take this $250 you paid the court and close it out, dismiss it,
Thank you.
Thank you.
okay? So then you'll be
Thank
all
you.
set. We'll
I
dismiss
really,
it. You'll have to come back in 12 months because you've been so candidly honest, okay?
I really appreciate it, man.
No, I appreciate it. You came and handled your business. I'm sorry about what took place. I know you're just trying to handle your stuff, but this is what
Yeah.
happened. So we'll count the 250 as your fine and we'll dismiss it. I won't close it out. I'll dismiss this case today, okay?
Thank you, man. God bless you.
You're welcome. Same to you, sir. All right, good luck to you. Stay on the straight and narrow. I know it's harder to do right than it is to do wrong. Remember that always. It's harder to do right than it is to do wrong.
And I will have my vending license this spring, and I will be selling food again too. I already got me a pop-up trailer, and I got me an event grill, and I got all my utensils already, so I'll be ready for the time.
I love it. Fantastic. Will you be selling in the Detroit area?
No, I'm in Flint now.
Okay, I saw
But
your address.
I'm gonna make my way back to Detroit. I love Detroit. I lived out there for 2 years and a half.
Fantastic. Well, good luck to you. I wish you all the best. I really do. And I hope to see great things from you, okay?
Thank you.
All right. All right. That concludes this matter. Have a good day, Mr. Walker.
All right, thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Hi, Sean White.
Yes.
All right. Can you turn on your camera for me, please? Now I'm calling the matter of People versus Tyshawn White. This is ticket number SP 123152291. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 113728821. Use of loudspeaker without permission or unreasonable noise. Ticket number SP 1137261. No insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SP 123152292. Drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. You're on mute, Attorney Baldwin.
Sorry, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Tyshawn White.
Thank you, Your Honor. Would the court please restate the prosecutor's offer?
I don't have an offer for this one.
Oh, we ready for an offer. We asked for a recall.
Okay. All right. I'll get you an offer. Hold tight, Mr. White, okay?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Young?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Rakia Young. This is ticket number SP 9049911, drove while license suspended. SP 114926662, driver's license never acquired. SP 114926661, no insurance misdemeanor. SP 11324932, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. And ticket SP 128595352, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record, please.
Rakia Young.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Young is here on a driving while license suspended count and will be out of suspension by her next action date. So we're asking that the court adjourn this matter until another pretrial can be arranged. Thank you.
All right. Ma'am, I'm gonna give you a lot of time because my pretrial dates are kind of far away, so that should give you plenty of time to get stuff in order, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, February the 8th, 2023. That's at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in, I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. Hopefully you'll have everything together by then, okay, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I surely will.
All right, Miss Young. All right, thank you for your patience today, and you have a good day. I like your necklace. That's pretty.
Thank you. You have a great day as well.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Sharon Wynn?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Sharon Wynn. This is ticket number P1193528. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket P1021517. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1193552. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 123311961. Drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2 of that ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3 of that ticket is drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record.
Sharon Ruth Wynn.
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant is going to waive rights here and now to plead guilty. In order to resolve these matters, there are a number of cases that will be dismissed. On her behalf, I stipulate to probable cause as to those, and we would thank the prosecutor for his generous offer.
All right. You want to take advantage of this offer today, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Please raise your right hand for me.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten, force,
No.
or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, I wasn't threatened.
Okay. Are you pleading guilty of your own free will, ma'am?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up your rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in any of these matters? You understand, ma'am?
I understand.
All right, understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date of June 4th of 2021. Were you in the area of Schaefer and Linden Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, I was.
And was that vehicle unregistered with the Secretary of State's office at that time?
No.
No, it was not registered?
No, because it was actually COVID was still out. So nobody could really go to the Secretary of State. So no.
Okay, all right. And then I want to take your attention back to the date of August the 31st of 2019. Were you in the area of Warmer and Bennett Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
On Warmer.
And Bennett Streets?
I don't even know where that's at. No, I got stopped on, I didn't get stopped on Warmer and Bennett. I got stopped on, I want to say Grand River and, I believe it was Joy Road. Nope, I never was on Bennett.
Council, how do you want me to, uh-oh, he dropped off for a second. We gotta wait for Counselor to come back.
Okay.
I'm back.
Okay, she couldn't establish the location of it, so I just wanted to make sure you were back on before I said what I was gonna say. All right,
So-
ma'am, you don't know that, you're saying that this ticket didn't happen at that location. So now I can do one or two things. I can give you a bench trial on that ticket, or I can give you a jury trial on that ticket.
No, I don't
Because-
feel like, I want to get this over with. No, I don't want to do that.
Ms. Wynn, when you just told me, I have the location on the ticket, and that's all I can go off of. You're disputing the
Okay.
fact of the ticket. So now I'm in a position where you're telling me that's not where it took place and where it happened. And so I can understand that you want to get it over with, but now that you said that it wasn't that location, my hands. are
Okay,
kinda
it's
tied.
okay. I'll be guilty for it. Okay, no problem.
One moment, may I ask the witness one question?
You can.
So, ma'am, do you recall the date and time as indicated by the court?
It was.
I mean, I
August-
guess if he gave me the ticket, then okay,
date?
it's not a problem.
Do you remember driving a motor vehicle on that date and time?
I'm sure I was driving.
Okay. Were you driving it in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
Do you have any dispute whether or not this court has jurisdiction over this matter?
No,
Matter of fact, you will admit that you were driving on that date and time without a valid registration
Without
or
car insurance.
yes,
Excuse me.
guilty.
I'm satisfied.
All right, the court is satisfied as well. Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated. Thank you.
You're welcome. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea as charged to drive unregistered untitled vehicle, as well as no car insurance amended to improper plates in this particular matter. At this time, the remaining counts for the remaining tickets on the record today will be dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, now the car was unregistered back then too in 2019. Now what was
But
your
I did.
reason?
I
Yeah,
did get it.
unregistered back then.
No, I got it registered, but the thing is when my birthday came this year, I had it registered. I had put insurance on it to get my plate and everything, so I took care of it. But when my birthday came, since it had broke down, they just towed it, so I didn't even I gave up on it. But I did
All right.
take care of it.
All right, so my fine today, ma'am, is gonna be $300 for one of the tickets. I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on the other ticket. How long will it take you to pay that? 30 or 60 days?
I probably need 60 because I just had surgery Thursday, so I'm not healed yet.
All right, so I'm gonna give you until, is January 30th enough time, ma'am?
That's perfect.
Okay, January 30th, 2023, I'll have the $300 fine due. Ma'am, if you have any reinstatement fees, and I don't know that you do, but check in the system to make sure, because that's above the $300 I charge, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Ms. Wynn. Heal well, okay?
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. And I do have an offer for Mr. White. So, but let me do Mr. Wilson if he comes in, okay? Christopher Wilson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Christopher Wilson. This is ticket P 1303704. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P 1303702. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. U ticket 456900618, fire ordinance. Ticket number SP 11594511, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Ticket number SP 11594426, count 1, improperly displayed dirty obscure plates. Count 2, expired plates. Count 3, driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Wilson.
Thank you, Judge. There's a recommendation. I've discussed it with the defendant. He is going to hear and now waive his rights to any further hearings or trials. He knows he's going to resolve this matter here today. Well, there is a delayed sentence recommendation. And apart from that, the defendant is going to waive rights and plead guilty. Thank you.
All right. If that's the case, sir, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, can you still move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, I want to take your attention first, sir, back to the date of, this is December 4th of 2018. Did you have a property in the area of 1231 West State Fair in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I did.
And was it in violation of a fire ordinance, sir?
Yes, it was.
Okay. And also bringing your attention to the date of January 20th of this year, 2022. Were you in the area of Van Dyke and McNichols in the city of Detroit in a Saturn vehicle, sir?
Yes, I was.
And did you drive while your license was not valid or improper at the time?
Yes, I did.
Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, I am satisfied as to both counts. Thank you.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea as charged of violation of the fire ordinance, and then on count that is drove while license not valid or improper license, I'm going to amend that to improper plates. Sir, what happened with this fire ordinance? What type of business was at that location?
It was my apartment.
Oh. What you have going on at your apartment that was in violation?
So I actually pulled the fire alarm though.
Oh, Mr. Wilson.
It was a fire on my floor, so I did pull the fire alarm.
Okay. All right. So it was really a legit fire on your floor though?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. That's weird. Why'd they charge you then? It must have been something else to this story, Mr. Wilson. Did you start the fire? You don't have to tell me.
No, I did not start the fire. So the fire was actually my next door neighbor. My next door neighbor is the person who the fire started at their apartment. So
Okay,
I pulled the fire alarm because I was in the house and my next door neighbor wasn't in the house.
oh,
So you basically feel like since it wasn't my apartment that caught on fire, I shouldn't have pulled.
okay.
So,
All right, Mr. Wilson, you in these fires now. You got another place with fire. We need to be careful, Mr. Wilson. I don't know about you in the places you live. Okay, here's what I'll do. The fire ticket is for 6 months, so that means you can't pick up any new tickets like that for 6 months. And as long as you do it, it'll be dismissed. So I'm gonna put a fine on that one, just because I'm gonna make it $300, but you have 6 months to pay it. So it will be due May 29th, 2023. On the other ticket, I'm gonna waive your cost and fine since you were so honest about it today, okay?
thank you very much, Your Honor.
But if you have reinstatement fees, you have to pay those, okay? Those are not exempt. Now, remember that. Now, I can't get rid of all your fees and costs, but if you have reinstatement fees, you have to pay those, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Wilson, thank you for your patience today. I appreciate it, okay?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you too, Counselor.
Thank you, sir. Good luck.
Thank you. Y'all have a wonderful evening.
All right, you have a good day, Mr. Wilson.
Okay.
All right. On Mr. White, he's having some signing. He said he couldn't get back into his court session, but he was here. So I told him, it's okay, we got you, but I don't know what happened. So let's give him a moment to see if he comes back. Okay, Attorney Baldwin? And if
Of
he
course,
does,
Your Honor.
okay. Okay,
Standing by.
thank you so much. I appreciate you.
It's always a pleasure, Your Honor.
Same here. Attorney Baughman?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know what Mr. White, oh, we were trying to get an offer for him.
Right. He wanted to enter a guilty plea.
I told him it's okay, we got you, but I think he may have mistaken that as he could sign out.
Right.
My bad.
White.
I should have told him to hold tight.
Well,
I don't have a number. Did you get a number for him or no?
no.
All right, here's what we'll do. We'll wait until 11:30. So that gives him 8 more minutes. If he doesn't sign on, then we'll sign off. Good morning.
Understood, Your Honor, and look who's here.
Okay, the offer is that if he will plead to drive unregistered untitled vehicle, the remaining 3 counts will be dismissed.
We love it. You ready, Mr. White?
Yes, my apologies, my phone died.
It's okay.
You'll pay a
We
fine
figured
for that
it.
one count. And the other 3 will be dismissed. It won't go on your driving record, and all cases will be closed once you pay the fine for the one case, okay?
Okay, which case is that? How much do I have to
No
pay?
registration.
Okay, how much do I have to pay?
The judge is gonna tell us.
Okay,
Huh?
I'll set the fine, but usually it's around $200 and I'll give you some time to pay, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
Problem. All right. Are you able to turn on your camera or do you need to keep it off so it can charge? Your phone can charge?
My apologies, my apologies.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. Now I'm gonna call these matters, okay? We're gonna get you out of here, okay?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Tayshawn White. This is ticket SP 1231529. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Also calling tickets number SP 113-72821. Use loudspeaker without permission or unreasonable noise. And SP 113-72641. 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for defendant. State your name, sir.
Good morning, Tayshawn White.
We're not guilty for arraignment purposes, Your Honor, but the defendant is going to thereafter change his plea to guilty pursuant to the recommendation. Thank you.
All right. Is that right, Mr. White?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. White, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of August the 3rd of 2021. Were you in the area of Grand River and Kempford Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Toyota vehicle?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was it unregistered with the Secretary of State's office at that time?
No, it was registered. I just didn't have my license plate or my registration in the car. My car was
There we
broke down.
go.
I was taking to get fixed.
Okay,
I'm satisfied with the factual basis, Your Honor.
all right. The court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the charge of unregistered, untitled vehicle. Sir, you gotta have that on at all times. You can't just drive a vehicle without it. That's not how it works. I know you may have been going to get it repaired, but that's not how it works, okay, sir?
Yes.
All right, all right. Mr. White, where are you headed right now?
I'm here actually trying to work.
You say you're going to work?
Yes.
Okay, all right, sir. I see the diligent effort that you made this morning to get this all together. The court's gonna waive your costs and fines.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. White,
Appreciate it.
don't do it a slap in my face. Now, you may have some reinstatement fees. You have to pay for those, okay? But I see you making
Yes.
a real effort. You know what? When I see a man get on the bus and going to work, that lets me know that you're really trying to get it together. And I understand, so I'm giving you a break today.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. You're all set, Mr. White. Have a good day, okay?
Yes, ma'am. You do the same.
I will. Thank you so much.
No problem.
All right, bye-bye. All right. All right, Attorney Baldwin.
Have a great day, everybody. See you next time.
Thank you so much.
Always a pleasure, Your Honor. See you next.